All right.
They keep coming.
Yep, ready?
Belt fed. If you were a character in a video game, what type of firearm would be your signature weapon?
I'm a character on the internet, which is pretty similar to being a character in a video game.
I'm sure someone in the comments will point this out, if we allow them. Cream before jam or jam before cream?
Well, that's clearly British.
Hey, I want to know the answer to that one.
Caseless bullpups. It's always caseless bullpups.
I seem to have that innate British ability to operate a cracker.
Years and years of practice. Cheers.